After exploring the Levant, traveling through Hindustan, reaching over the mountaintops and the Middle Empire, Le Petit Chef traveled back home to make his signature dish using authentic ingredients that he hoarded from Arabia, India, Nepal, and China. Feeling ko ito yung pinaka-highlight ng show kasi dito pinakita talaga na nagluluto si Le Petit Chef. Step by step pa. Sinasabi niya pa dito kung ano-anong ingredients yung ginagamit at nakuha niya per country Pero hindi ko lang masyado maintindihan. Basta ang sabi it's a twist on a quintessential dessert daw. And it's a yogurt honey panna cotta with mango, lime, tonka bean, and shortbread biscuit. Overall, masarap siya and unique sa panlasa. Yung tipo na habang pinapanood at ginagawa ko tong video na to, parang nalalasahan ko pa din.
I hope you enjoy.